Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandapani from Astro Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Scorpio Zodiac and Scorpio Ascendant, your Zodiac and 6th house Lord Mars, who makes you win over enemies and tolerant, is placed in the 6th house till October 4th and retrogrades to Pisces, your 5th house. He aspects over 9th house Cancer, 11th house Virgo and 12th house Libra. It's good if the Zodiac Lord is placed in the 5th house. You may get the support and help from your father. You can achieve the expected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled, but you cannot avoid tiresome travels and wasteful expenditure. Children will also flourish. As 5th house Mars aspected over by Saturn makes children behave differently. 2nd and 5th house Lord Jupiter in 2nd house makes your fund flow flawless. Family life will be harmonious. You can attract everyone through your speech. Jupiter aspects over 6th house Aries, 8th house Gemini, 10th house Leo, so you can win over your enemies. You may clear your old debts duly getting bank loans. Ailments so far suffered will vanish. You may be benefited from wife's side. Court cases will be finalized. Constraints and hurdles will go away. 10th house Jupiter aspect makes trade, business, career prosper. Profits will be on the higher side. Your working skills will be recognized and appreciated by higher ups in the work front. 3rd and 4th house Saturn in the 3rd house will make you free from all the troubles so far faced by 7.5 years Saturn. All your efforts will be successful. Your comforts and luxuries will be without hindrance. Venus aspects over 4th house relieves you from financial constraints. Education will prosper. 3rd house Saturn aspects over 5th house Pisces, 9th house Cancer, 12th house Libra. Children may be lazy and adamant. There may be delays in getting profits. Do take care of your father's health. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. 7th and 12th house Lord Venus in the 10th house Leo and Venus aspects over your 4th house Aquarius. This month, your life will be full of joyful occasions, comforts and luxuries. Spouse relationship will be good and intimate. Friends and business partners will cooperate and will be helpful. Artists and women welfare will be very good. In the work front, you may get promotions and pay hike. Income and expenses will be more or less equal. 8th and 11th house Lord Mercury, he is malefic, but his 12th house Libra placement will be good for Scorpions. Education will progress. At the most, avoid love affairs. 1st house Scorpio, Ketu and 7th house Taurus Ragu may give some troubles. Venus was given house for Ragu is placed comfortably, so fund flow will be without bumps and you may be benefited by other language and other religion people. Spirituality and religious involvement along with yoga and meditation will make your mind clear. 10th house Sun in Virgo, your 11th house will fulfill all your long-lasting desires. You may be profited. Politicians will flourish. Their services will be recognized and appreciated by party head duly giving posts in the party. When Sun moves to Libra, your 12th house, you cannot avoid travels and expenses. Your 9th house Lord Moon in 5th house Pisces in the first day of the month make you mentally strong and clear. Moon transits to your 8th house on 8th, 9th and 10th morning. On these days, be careful. Avoid travels and new ventures. Based on Moon's transit, favorable dates are 1, 2, 3, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. On the whole, status of Mars, Saturn, Venus, Jupiter are all favorable. You may get some hindrance from Ragu and Ketu. Finance, trade, business, career, children, spouse, women, artists, politicians, welfare and progress are very good this month. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanitam Panjangam. If your ascendant falls in the same zodiac, the SIT predictions holds good. If otherwise, you go in for the prediction of the zodiac where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. October 2020, planetary status. October 4th, Mars retrogrades to Pisces. October 14th, Mercury retrogration starts. October 16th, Sun moves to Libra. October 23rd, Venus transits to Virgo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.